Hi everyone, welcome to Zenova, and in this video we're going to take a look at a research analysis of Intel. We're doing the analysis in the Zenova app, which can be used for free. You can download it on the Google or the Apple app stores. So the first prompt within the ChatGPT-4 Turbo interface is what is the previous close and the 6-month and 9-month price and alpha forecast for Intel? And here's your answer. And this data output is coming from the Zenova AI machine learning models, which are quite robust in handling different kinds of predictive analytics, pattern recognition, probability analytics, and more. And now I'm just going to scroll down as we go through different prompts, and you can see the output. So again, here's the initial output. This is a summary from an internet search, followed by 9 follow-up questions to make it easy for the user to just simply click on any of these as another prompt. And the first 4 are questions related to the actual AI machine learning outputs that are stored in a database. Each night, the AI models run from the new closings of all the different equities and ETFs, and the results are stored, and ChatGPT can draw on those results from these prompts. Internet search, click on any one of these to drill down. Second prompt, which was in the above list that I clicked on, and the answer. You can see from the machine learning outputs, it's very bullish. Second prompt. Again, these are outputs from the AI machine learning models of Zenova. These are pretty standard models like XGBoost, Random Forest Ensemble, Neural Network, Deep Learning, Vader, Birch, and many more. You can see the model accuracy over the past year has been very high for Intel. Next prompt is looking at more of the statistical and financial outputs of Intel. The conclusion. Next prompt. Using the combined responses from questions 2 and 3, which would be combining AI machine learning outputs with statistical and financial outputs for an overall analysis. This is followed up by an AI indicators price in Alphar Grid, which has over 200 different outputs for Intel. These are AI machine learning outputs from price predictions, alpha predictions, probability of alpha, technical indicators, candlestick pattern recognition, and all the way to charts, sentiment, price and alpha charts, probability charts, accuracy charts. How accurate is the model compared to the actual prices and projected prices? And you can see for roughly 55, 60 days out, it's about 95% accurate. And again, this grid is being passed into ChatGPT to give you the answers that we obtained in the questions above. Same thing with these tear sheets. So you can drill down to the different tear sheets like factor analysis if you want to. Or performance. But again, these outputs are being passed in and looked at by ChatGPT. And there are charts which are also being passed in to ChatGPT. But if someone wants to see the actual charts, they can actually do that. Again, all this data is being passed into both the machine learning models and ChatGPT. Any questions, please let us know. We're happy to help. Thank you.